Hello friend, in this video I want to show you how to solve product activation fail in Microsoft Office. So let's start. First of all, you want to go C drive, and then program file. In program file, you want to go Microsoft Office, then Office 16. Now right hand side search bar, you type here OSP, then osprem.exe, right click and run as administrator. Then 3 times you run as administrator. 1, 2, then 3. Done. You can close from here and open your Office document or Excel file. No, now you show no warning, but here you see product activation required. Now you see product activation required. All Office file you can do your work without any warning, but here show Office activation required. For solve this, you want to go Windows Security, then Virus and Threat Protection, turn off all. Then you want to go Microsoft Office Activator, KMS tool. You run it KMS tool, then Active Office. Now you can see product activated. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video, please subscribe my channel.